Let's learn the German alphabet.
A.
A.
Der Apfel.
Der Apfel.
B.
B.
Die Banane.
Die Banane.
C.
C.
Der Computer.
Der Computer.
D.
D.
Der Drucker.
Der Drucker.
E.
E.
Das Ei.
Das Ei.
F.
F.
Der Frosch.
Der Frosch.
G.
G.
Die Gitarre.
Die Gitarre.
H.
H.
Der Hund.
Der Hund.
E.
E.
Der Igel.
Der Igel.
J.
J.
Der Joghurt.
Der Joghurt.
K.
K.
Der Krebs.
Der Krebs.
L.
L.
Die Lupe.
Die Lupe.
M.
M.
Die Mücke.
Die Mücke.
N.
N.
Der Nagel.
Der Nagel.
O.
O.
Die Orange.
Die Orange.
P.
P.
Der Puter.
Der Puter.
Q.
Q.
Das Quadrant.
Das Quadrant.
R.
Er.
Der Ring.
Der Ring.
S.
S.
Der Schrimm.
Der Schrimm.
T.
T.
Die Tomate.
Die Tomate.
U.
U.
Die Uhr.
Die Uhr.
V.
V.
Die Violine.
Die Violine.
W.
W.
Die Weintrauben.
Die Weintrauben.
X.
X.
Das Saxophon.
Das Saxophon.
Y.
Y.
Die Yacht.
Die Yacht.
Z.
Z.
Das Zebra.
Das Zebra.
In German, for other letters are also included in the alphabet, that is,
I.
which is also known as
A Umlaut. Der Bär.
Der Bär.
Ö.
which is also known as
O Umlaut. Der Löwe.
Der Löwe.
Ü.
which is also known as
U Umlaut. Die Gemüse.
Die Gemüse.
SZ.
which is also known as
Scharfes S.
in German.
Die Füße.
Die Füße.
Let's review German alphabet and play a game focusing in pronunciation. It might help you to memorize. Here we go.
Was ist das?
J. Was ist das?
T. Was ist das?
Er.
I think you have guessed. The word you guess is correct.
Ö. Was ist das?
K. Hope you enjoy learning.
Was ist das?
G. Was ist das?
Q.
The word you guess is absolutely correct.
I.
We have almost finished practicing the German alphabet. So,
Was ist das?
V.
Super.
thank you for watching.
Auf Wiedersehen. Bis zum nächsten Mal.
Thank you for practicing with us. That was our German alphabet training. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to German Guru, and stay tuned for more exciting lessons. See you soon. And also check out these videos for learning German language in our YouTube channel.